We're getting ready to install this retractable privacy screen by our pool, and I have to say I am really impressed. Look at the size on this, how tall it is, and the biggest surprise though is that it comes already assembled. There was not a pile of parts or a long afternoon of putting everything together, which definitely made me happy. GarveeLife sent this to me to test out, and the retractable design is really smooth too. It pulls out so easily and effortlessly, it locks into place, and it retracts just as easily when you don't want it open. The quality honestly exceeded my expectations. The frame is really sturdy and the fabric is nice and thick. The stitching is great. It looks like it's built to handle being outdoors without constantly worrying about the wear and tear, and I can already tell it's going to hold up really well over time. We're planning to use it by the pool to create a little extra privacy, but I can also see it being perfect for patios, hot tubs, and even separating different outdoor spaces. I love that when you want an open view, you simply retract it and it's out of the way. Then whenever you want more privacy or a wind barrier, you just pull it back out in a few seconds. So far, I am really impressed with the overall quality, the smooth operation, and how convenient this is. I can't wait to get this bolted down.